Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the city in the Citymapper application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then just scroll down a bit and click on the city button. And as you can see, there are many cities that you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to set. And it already changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.